Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous beautiful actress Neelam Giri. So today I did her song and the song name is Kishmish, and I did this video with 4K 60 fps in vertical frame by covering all the angle of Neelam Giri in this video. So the Bhojpuri song Kishmish featuring Neelam Giri can be described as a grand visual reach and audience oriented musical presentation that strongly embodies the essence of contemporary Bhojpuri pop culture, where entertainment, glamour, and star appeal take center stage. From the opening moment, the song establishes a lovely and flirtatious mood through its energetic music, colorful visual, and remix, pacing instantly drawing viewer into its vibrant world. Neelam Giri's performance is one of the most striking aspects of the song, as she's bring a confident screen presence, expressive body language, and graceful dance movement that elevate the overall visual experience. Her styling, makeup, and costumes are carefully created to enhance her glamour quotient, making her a dominant visual force throughout the video. Opposite her, Kesarilal Yadav deliver exactly what his fans expect: strong charisma, playful expression, and natural ease in a front of the camera, which blend seamlessly with Neelam Giri performance, resulting in engaging, enjoyable on-screen chemistry that feel spontaneous rather than forced. Musically, Kishmish follows a familiar Bhojpuri formula driven by catchy beat, repetitive hook, and rhyme designed to be instantly memorable, making it a suitable not only fan casual listening but also dance performance, reels, and shorts from social media content, which significantly contributes to its viral potential. The lyrics are straightforward, light-hearted, and romance focused, prioritizing entertainment and relatability over poetic complexity. And while they may not offer deep meaning, they effectively support me song from the narrative and visual storytelling, the direction of and cinematography deserve appreciation for maintaining a polished and dynamic hook with smooth transitions, visually appealing location, and choreography that keep pace engaging without overwhelming the viewer. The song massive digital response can also be linked to Neelam Giri growing popularity and strong fan following, which has expanded beyond traditional Bhojpuri audience, helping the song gain transactions quickly after its release. Although Kishmish does not attempt to redefine Bhojpuri music or introduce groundbreaking creativity, it succeeds brilliantly in its primary goal to entertainment, and does so by coming star power, appealing visual, catchy music, and mass friendly presentations into one cohesive package. Ultimately, dismissed as a solid example of modern Bhojpuri commercial music proving that when performance, presentation, and popularity align well, a song can achieve widespread appeal and lasting presence song among audience even without heavy emphasis on innovation or narrative depth. The Bhojpuri song Kismis is a thoroughly engaging and highly commercial music video that reflect the evolving yet familiar style and modern Bhojpuri entertainment, combining glamour, romance, and energetic performance to create a strong impact on audience. From the very beginning, the song captured attention with its colorful visual and upbeat mood, setting the tone for lighthearted, hilarious narrative that runs throughout the video. Nilamgiri emerges as a central attraction, delivering a confident and expressive performance that highlighted her screen presence, charm, and growing stardom in the Bhojpuri industry. Her dance movement, facial expressions, and overall styling well suited the song playful theme, making her performance visual, appealing, memorable. Kesarilal Yadav, known for his mass, appealing and powerful connection with the Bhojpuri audience, bring his signature energy and charisma, and the chemistry between the two artists feel natural and lovely, which significantly enhance the entertainment value of the song. The musically Kishmis release on catchy beat and rhyme structure that easy enjoy and ideal for repeated listening, reels, and social media sharing. Even thoughts it does not attempt to break new ground. It terms of conditions or musical experimentations. The lyrics are simple conversations and romance driven, designed more to support and visual and mood rather than deliver poetic depth, which align perfect with the expectations of its target audience. The video direction and production quality are polished and featuring vibrant location, attractive costumes, choice and well coordinate choreography that keeps the visual dynamic and engaging throughout. The song widespread popularity and rapid rise in the viewership can also be credited to Nilamgiri increasing fan base and her growing recognitions beyond regional boundaries, which help generate buzz and curiosity around the release. While Kishmis may not stand out for innovation or storytelling complexity, it excels as a complete entertainment package, successfully delivering fun, glamour, romance, and energy, make it a strong addition to the list of trending Bhojpuri songs and a clear example of how star power, visual appeal, and catchy music come together to create a widely enjoyed and commercial successfully track. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel.